Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great in this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create an image with canva.com. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and log in into canva.com. Okay. And on the left side here we have different options, which is home, projects, templates, and Canva AI print shop. So click on Canva AI, choose this one, and here you can create image, you can create docs, you can generate quotes, you can create video clips. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create image. So choose image, and here you have to describe your idea. Okay, so I have already a prompt for that, so I copy paste it here and click submit. So it's thinking, as you can see, sketching visual elements as totally free, and you don't have to pay for that. As you can see here we have different images, see, like that. Yes, that's how you can create image with canva.com. So if you want another one, just tell generate a better one and enter. It's very fast, and in 10 seconds you have your images. So once you are okay with that, just choose the one which you want and you can click on download. You can see it's downloading down here. That's how you can generate images with Canva AI. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.